Ljudi! Dobrodošli u Stiki sa nama je veliko Alcići. Danas igramo Infinity za Acidom. I šta bi radili i krećemo. Idemo.
Well, look, finally decided to...
Da ću više napraviti. I was a bit. Oh. To ću više
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
Agora probamo acid. Ništa. Dobro.
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah.
Okay, I want to show some bug. I don't know. Da tu treba. Okay. Ništa. Ovo.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the club. Any ideas?
Let's go.
Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right?
Okay.
What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief.
Nije pravi. Glue. Ostvari lepak.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realise how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you?
Čisto odlepi, bre.
What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
What did he uspio? Okay.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign?
Okay.
Where it says
What's
record? That'd probably be a
venom?
good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Sticky messy. Okay. Romo, help.
Yeah, I have this thing here that can manipulate gravity. Should be able to get you to float across. Let me just... wait. Up, down. Did it work?
Yeah. Bend them.
Okay, let me just teleport this thing in here for you.
Nia, Romo, helper.
Alright, here it comes.
You took tails? Oh my god, the two tails there! Oh my god, like what's up there?
How does that open the door? Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Okay. Meat control, bone meat. How you pronounce bone meat? Is it gonna
Oh
open?
man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
What's that? Ninja starfish.
Falcon!
Nah.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello Mr. Spider. Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns, that's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
What's up?
Okay, shutting down the power now.
Nisam to mislio!
I've hacked into their power grid.
Oh my god,
What do you want me to
nisam
do?
to ni mislio! Ajmo to izabere.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the big
Evo ga,
doors.
znači mora tu izaći.
Get you on the chopper.
Think in the box.
Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Okay. Sleepy gas. Force gun.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
Okay. I nema šanse.
This could be a problem.
Okay, završili smo. Okay, idemo na primjer banana. Ne. Ovo. Nema veze, znači imamo.
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay. I don't understand what that means. I'm sorry, I just thought you needed some help, is all.
Okay, opet radimo kenupon.
Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look. Go, hold him off. Come on, then.
Chair. I to Sonika jeste Sonic.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious. Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Aparte! Okay.
Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Okay. Nije uspeo. Dajte.
Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Okay. Stop. Okay, to ćemo. Okay. Nije uspeo. Imamo opet metal band. Nije uspeo. Okay. I can jump.
No, get away! Now I've got you.
To. Jo. Yes! Ok, ko sa sledeće? I da imamo. Biće. To.
Help, help! Listen, you defeated my right-hand man. You defeated me. I surrender the airship to you. Great work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and you'll get your life back.
Tank. Okay, hit the sticky man. I to je to za ovu epizodu. Nadam se da se vidjeti. Uživajte vi, ljudi.